Getting quality sleep is very important for everyone who is trying to lead a healthy lifestyle. But unfortunately, many people are constantly waking up in the middle of the night due to their partner's snoring, which could lead to serious health problems in the long term. So, if there is one thing on earth that irritates all partners, it's snoring. So, what causes snoring? Mainly, nasal congestion is the most important cause for chronic snoring. The buildup of mucus in your throat and nasal passages can be caused by many different factors, ranging from allergies to nasal infections to the common cold. Getting rid of this mucus is one of the best ways to significantly reduce or even prevent further snoring. How can juices help? Nowadays, drinking natural juice is considered as one of the best ways to improve one's nutrition and health. It is a simple method that will keep your airways clear and reduce congestion. This is because fresh juices are rich in vitamins and minerals that boost the immune system. Having a well-functioning immune system can prevent snoring by minimizing your risk of contracting viruses that cause nasal congestion. In addition to this, a healthy immune system also prevents the development of allergies that contribute to mucus buildup. What kinds of food you need to avoid? You can reduce the risk of mucus buildup if you stop eating certain foods from the early evening hours. We are talking about foods that won't do much good for your health anyway: fried foods, processed or refined foods, chocolate, dairy products, and sugar products. You should also avoid alcohol and cigarettes. Besides avoiding the above-mentioned foods, we strongly recommend you to drink this simple juice that helps reduce nasal congestion. Regular consumption of this juice will gradually reduce your snoring. So now, let me show you the most wanted recipe to stop snoring forever. The ingredients: you must need 4 big carrots, 1/2 inch of ginger root, 1 apple, a squeeze of lemon. Now let's start the recipe. All you have to do to make this delicious juice with natural sweetness is showing step by step. At first, wash all the ingredients nicely. Then cut them into sizes that can fit through your juicer's chute. Put them into the juicer. Serve chilled. Drink 2 hours before going to bed. Don't worry, you can drink this in the morning too. Why should we take these ingredients? The high vitamin C content in lemons can help you kick a cold to the curb, and drinking more liquids helps to thin mucus and unclog sinuses. Another element in this juice is ginger. It has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. It can help to alleviate pressure and pain due to sinus problems. Apple and carrot juice are used to help clear nasal passages and make for a better night's sleep. Altogether, this apple, carrot, lemon, and ginger juice is a powerful sleep cocktail that is sure to beat any alcoholic beverage or a high-fat midnight snack. Enjoy this delicious juice before your sleep time. Your body will thank you in the morning.
Thank you for watching our video. We love to hear your comments and feedback. Leave your thoughts in the comment box below.